welcome back to the channel. So you may be thinking that why I'm not holding my phone with my hand, why it is on stand. Because today I'm going to show you something really special that happened yesterday itself. So I received two PR packages, media copy from two most well-known publishing house, which one is HarperCollins and Jacko Publishing House. So it's been a like I was so happy that I got media copies before also, but three media copies together was a real special thing for me because I never received that way. So the three copies which I received from HarperCollins was this. So the first book is The Last Queen by Chitra Banerjee. So this book is all about a queen who actually fought against male dominance and so on and so forth. This queen is, I guess, from Punjab. Even if you are not from Punjab, you can still relate with it because that point of time, women didn't have their own words, but still she fought against it, and it was amazing. So I'm really excited to read. It's a very short read, around 300 to 350 pages. Amazing. And we are making pizza over here. So the next book is Independence. This book I have been trying to read from the day it got released. This I already started reading yesterday. I received it and already how many pages done? I'm on chapter 5. Deepa. So this is basically there are three sisters, Deepa, Jameli and Priya. Jameli, right? Check. So the name was Jamini. So Deepa, Jamini and Priya. These are the three sisters, and this is from the time of independence when Kolkata was having riots and everything, like day by every day, and how the normal people was getting affected, how they were surviving in such a mess. So yeah, amazing book. I highly recommend it. I don't like reading stories or something related to that. Like, I was not a fiction reader, but still I went into fiction, and I love this book. It's amazing. And also HarperCollins sent me a hard copy, so I'm really happy. The mega star is this one, The Emperor of All Melodies by Siddhartha Mukherjee. This is all about cancer, the biography of cancer. So someone who loves exploring about diseases or how our body works. Like, I have a very bad thing. If I have pain over here, I'll go to Google and search it. Like, I know it's a bad thing, but still it's a good one because if you know 10 knowing 10% is better than knowing 0%. So I feel like that. So amazing book. If you don't go with the length, but you should go what's inside this book, because this is unbelievable. Really good. I highly recommend this. This is a new release. I was going to buy it, but then I thought, let me request if HarperCollins can send this to me. So they did, and I'm really happy. Now, coming to the self-help category. These two books are sent by Jacko Publishing House. I still love reading non-fiction books, but I very critically shifted to fiction. For some of the reasons are like I wanted to explore my thoughts, my creativity. If reading online, I can imagine that. So that's why I shifted a little to fiction, only to the literary fictions and not the classics. And yeah, like stories and something like that, like all these kind of things. And non-fictions are genuinely like I did healthcare. Like, this book is kind of a non-fiction memoir and all of that. So coming to back to the books, this one, Walk Your Talk. This one is really, if you are someone who want to change your routine and everything, it will help you do that. I did not start reading this book, to be honest, and I don't know what's inside it. But here if you check out, it will be like mirrored, but here are few case studies. You will see here it's written acting out case study, and with points the things have been written not in a paragraph way, so it will help people to read one line and go back to the line, except they have to not just read one line to the next line. So it will help people to do that also. That is the beauty of non-fiction books. People like me who doesn't remember the plot or what happened in the previous chapter will like highly feel relatable, because I was one of them. But now suddenly for this fiction books I got some interest to it. This is the chapter. So the next book is The Practicing Mind. This is a very old book and I wanted to read for a real while this one. But here what Jacobina said, it is a hardcover, which is like so reading a hardcover book is always amazing, but I do like reading hardcover books, but I feel more soothing to read this kind of books because I can fold the pages properly. But on this one you have to do it very sincerely, like not fold the pages like this, but very sincerely you have to do. Jealous, huh? I know. But okay. So this book is all about how you can control your mind to do some actions or something. This book says that you don't need a routine to be consistent, and routine to be consistent. It talks about the facts which you will not only read but you can apply onto your daily works also. So it's an amazing book because non-fictions are helpful for that only. Again, what I like about non-fiction is any page, from any page you can start, and it has so many, possibly so many useful keywords that will help you like understand everything. Now let's talk about this particular book which I have been reading for a while and I have not completed it. I'm taking it really slow, but I'm on the like second final chapter and I want to keep reading this particular book because this book is such amazing. What Are You Looking For is in the library. This talks about 5 people who are lost in their lives. They want to find a path, but they are not. So they visit a library and a librarian, they suggest them a book and that changes their life. So how seriously, how short it looks like, but it is not. If you read it, the context inside it is really amazing. And this is what I can talk about this, because while talking it will go more time. So currently I'm reading this one, What Are You Looking For, and this particular, so this is how heavy my TBR looks like for the next upcoming months. There are tons of unread books, but still this comes first. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. It was not a vlog. But thank you for watching. Bye bye. If you have watched, if you liked any book, do comment me that below because I love talking about books. Bye.